For this question, remember we cannot use calculators, so we want an easy way to be able to divide these numbers we're about to get. So item 4 refers to the following diagram here. The fraction of the circle which has been shaded is, and we have the options. Now, as we can see, we have this sector, we have two radii and an arc, and the region bounded between it, the shaded region that we have here between two radii and an arc. And so we call it sector. The angle for the sector, which we do not know, when added to the external angle of 285 will create a what? A circle. And a circle has 360 degrees. So if we know the external angle of 285, we just need this piece here, this angle here, I should say, not the piece, but angle. If we know this angle here, when added to 285, we should get a full complete circle, and that will be 360 degrees. So if we should take the 285 from the 360, we'll get the remaining amount, correct? That's good. 5 from 0 we can't, so we're going to borrow 1 from the next digit next to the 0, which is borrow 1 from the 6, leaving 5. The 1 we borrow, put it next to the 0. I'm going to treat this as 10 now. 5 from 10 will give us 5. Now 8 from 5 we can't, so we're going to borrow 1, leave 2, put the 1 next to the 5. So we have 15 here, treat it as 15. 8 from 15 give us 7. We could have said 35 minus 28 give us 7. All right, nevertheless, this is 75 degrees, the sector angle. When added to the external angle, we get 360. External plus the internal creates a circle, basically. And so we have 360 degrees together. But the sector angle, the shaded region, is a sector. Shaded region represents 75 out of a total of 360 degrees. Now, if we should break this down into a simplified fraction, we want a number that can enter 75 and 360. Think about 15. 15 can actually enter 75. Think about 15. So we have 15 plus 15 give us 30. That's 15 times 2. 15 times 3 is 45. If you think about adding 15 to 30, it's easily 45. And if we add 15 to 45, we will get 60. Think about doubling. Think about doubling the 30. 15 times 2, which is 15 times 4, which actually is 60. And if we add 15 to this, we should get easily 75. So we should actually know this by heart. 15 times 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 times 4 is 60, 15 times 5 is 75. This will be very helpful in multiple choice questions. All right, now, so we know that when we divide the 75 by 15, we actually get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 goes in 75 5 times. What about 360 though? Let's look at 360. All right, we can do it two ways, but we want an easy way to look at it. But let's look at it from this standpoint. Then we're going to look at another way. 360 degrees divided by 15. Okay, let's look at 360. Let's break it up into comfortable parts in 300 plus 60. 360 is same as 300 plus 60. Agree? Okay, great. Now, what if we want to divide this term? Think of this as an equation. We want to divide 360 by 15. That's our goal, right? We divide 75 over here. Divide 75 by 15. Now we're trying to divide 360 by 15. Let's see what we'll get. So 360 divided by 15. If we divide one term by 15, we need to divide the other terms by 15 as well. Now, how many times 15 goes into 60? Look at it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 15 goes into 60 4 times. Now 15 goes into 300 how many times? That should be easy. 15 into 15 goes once, and 15 into 30 goes 2 times. And so we have the 0 there, so that's 20 actually. We can actually just draw a line through that. So 15 goes into 320 times. So 20 plus 4 is actually 24. In other words, 360 divided by 15 is 24. And so our answer is 15 divided by 24. Now, another way to do this is dividing the 360. Let's look at it. 360 divided by 15. So we're going to say 15 into 3. We can't. 15 into 36 goes 2 times because 15 times 2 is 30. So we're going to subtract. Now, let's see. 0 from 6 give us 6, and 3 from 3 that gives us 0. So we just put a dot there. We're going to bring down this 0. Now we're going to say 15 into 60 goes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 goes 4 times. And 4 times 15 give us 60. And we subtract 60 from 60, we get zeros there. So the answer is 24. So 15 goes into 360 24 times. And so this is our solution. Now, if you want to break down 75 divided by 360, and you're comfortable using small numbers, you could divide by 5, which will give you 15 over 72. But you'd have to show that 5 goes into 360 72 times. Then if they divide 15 by 72, now 3 can actually enter 15 5 times, and 3 can enter 72 24 times. So that's another way we can actually do it as well. Hope this was helpful.